Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tori's World of Momcast, the show about things that I do eat and love. I love people, and most importantly, I love myself. So today I am just checking in with you guys. It has been a minute. Okay. I think it's been about a month, a little more, a little less. But what I have been doing is I have been organizing. My granddad had passed a little over a month ago, and I had to get things together for that. So the services, order of services, obituary, things of that nature, and we had his homegoing celebration 2 weeks ago. After that, and it's been little things in between, but after that I had to get things together for my husband's birthday, which is this weekend. All right, again, happy birthday, husband. But yeah, so things in between, doctor's appointments, the average everyday things. But again, the funeral took a lot out of me. What else? And let's see, funeral, doctor's appointments, eye doctor, regular doctor, primary care physician, OBGYN, pediatricians, all that good stuff. Right now, I'm taking a break. I am organizing my shoes. So what I saw was that I had, well, with this pandemic, everybody knows everybody's supposed to be in, secluded, things of that nature. And again, outside of doctor's appointments, things that were essential, for the most part, we were at home. And seeing the same thing, the same walls, same people, same everything for 4 weeks. Yeah, it was driving me crazy, and I needed something to do. So again, things were organized, but I'm reorganizing them. So what I'm doing is I am gonna put all of the winter stuff over here. So closed toe, boots, things of that nature are gonna go here. Dress shoes, fancy shoes are gonna go here. And then I have another one over there that it has my flip-flops and my gym shoes. On August the 1st, all right, so I'm fairly active. On August the 1st, that is when I'm getting back into my routine. My baby is 8 months now. And again, I was supposed to do it last month, but you can't dictate everything. Okay, but August 1st, I'm on it in terms of working out. Different things. I got some rollerblades, I got skates, I got DVDs, I got my own body weight. You do not need all of the gadgets and gadgets. You do not need to go to the gym. You do not need to be stagnant because the gyms are closed. Okay, before there were gyms, you had your body weight. So that's what I am going to get into. I'll show you guys along the way what I'm doing. You guys can join. What else? Of course, the food thing. I have got some requests for American foods, hearty foods. What is that word called? Comfort foods. There you go. So tacos, spaghetti, things of that nature. I got that. If you guys have anything else that you're like, hey, fettuccine, I got requests for that too. But I don't know how I'm gonna make this. It could be some ethnic foods, Latin foods, Chinese, whatever. If you have something that you want to make without meat, so no beef, pork, chicken or turkey, let me know. Again, I'm pescatarian, and I was once vegetarian, but I became pescatarian with my son. That's a whole nother story. If you want to know about that story, let me know in the comments or in my DM. Anyway, so right now I'm a pescatarian. So if you want to know how to make dishes without any meat at all or with seafood, let me know. What else? So yeah, so the eating and the exercising is going to be beginning of the month. Also, so not only exercising our physical bodies, but exercising our mental. We are going to get into Grace Actually. Okay, so this book is by Grace Sandra. I believe it went into print last year. I have the ebook. I just purchased it and I did not read it yet. I'm gonna read it with you guys. So you guys can get the ebook on Amazon, or just Google wherever the ebooks normally are, and I'm sure it's there. And or you can order the paperback. I am going to do a review in about 2 weeks, just in case somebody orders the paperback. They'll be able to chime in. Okay. So we're getting into this stuff. Again, I have the ebook already set to go on the 1st. Working out, set to go on the 1st. Eating well, set to go on the 1st. Water. I am going to, before I drink any juice, before I drink any pop, I am going to get my water intake in for the day. Okay, so I'm not going to say that I am not eating anything or depriving myself for anything to eat or drink. Okay, I am breastfeeding, and that burns 600 to 800 calories a session, so I need to eat. But I'm going to take my vitamins, and I am going to drink my daily water intake. I am shooting for at least half my body weight. Okay, so I'm not telling you guys the ounces, but at least a gallon. At least a gallon. Yeah. So you guys get prepared with me. It is going off without a hitch on the 1st. Okay. And then highlights. Again, I am going to highlight African American and or small businesses. So I am definitely going to give you guys one of these in this video. The ones that I'm starting off with are the ones that I have actually supported myself, like personally. But if you guys want me to review and or highlight, support you guys, just inbox me or what have you for any where you can send things to, and then I can do reviews for you. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. You're gonna still see me incorporating things with my family. You might catch my husband on some of these, and then we're gonna have positive affirmations, motivations, things of that nature. So again, I was motivated. You see my those, that green and that orange thing right there, those are light weights. So I do light stuff, but I'm gonna get into the swing of things and really go. Okay. And my girl Brittany, I saw on her Facebook, she done lost a lot of weight. So we gotta motivate each other, and so I am definitely on it. Just like I'm on, again, organizing. So I'm organizing this stuff, and then I'm definitely gonna organize downstairs in the backyard, because in a few weeks my friend is gonna have her shower here. So I'm excited about that. And I'm excited that I'm having 2 new grandbabies, or not new, I don't have any, but 2 god babies. She's having twins. All right, so I'm sure I'm gonna capture some of that too. So I just wanted to come on here, give you guys an update. It's been a minute. I wanted to give you guys some content, let you know what was going on, why the break. August the 1st, we in there. All right. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications for when my videos come out, and give me some positive feedback or just feedback in general. Okay, we all can improve. Let me get back to this. All right, bye y'all. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Tori's World of Momcast. This is an extension of the last video, so it won't be long. I am still motivated, okay? But as I started this train, motivated, excited about the first, what happens? This. Yes. So, and excuse my polish that chipped when I fell. But anyway, long story short, I fell and sprained my small toe, pinky toe, whatever. All right. Trying to cook. We went out for my husband's birthday. But cooking for the kids and my granddad, I ended up falling trying to get something off the top shelf. Fell on my foot, and yeah. So I was in the ER all day yesterday. Got x-rays, and thank God nothing is broken. But again, while I'm on this train, and this is... I try not to be on short stints like, oh, okay, I'm exercising for 30 days. No, this is going to be a lifestyle change. But while I'm on this train, hey, sprained toe, burst blood vessels, okay, all that good stuff. So, let me sit on my butt for 3 weeks and not exercise. I think not, okay? Y'all are going to get all of this. I don't know what I'm about to do, but I'm going to be active and I'm going to document it, okay? But yeah, how am I going to do this? One gym shoe on? I have no idea, but I'm going to figure it out. So I just wanted to give y'all guys a little update. Didn't want it to be long. But yeah, I'm still motivated and I hope you guys will be too. Let's get out and do something. All right, so you guys exercise with me. And again, the water intake is going to be extremely crucial. That's an extreme crucial thing. You definitely have to stay hydrated. We do not want you guys to be fainting out there, passing out and anything like that, especially if you're working out by yourself and you don't have anybody who can, look after you. So I am going to be working out on the first. Again, physically working out, drinking water, mentally working out our mind with Grace Actually, and yeah, and meal prep. So, all right, you guys, I'm going to see you later.